If you've got laminate floors, you know the struggle. They show every footprint, every spill, and half the mops out there either don't clean enough or feel sketchy to use. So I went out and personally tested 5 of the most popular options to find the best cleaning machines for laminate floors. I used them in real rooms on real messes, so you don't waste your money. Product number 1, Bissell Spin Wave Hard Floor Expert 20393. When I first grabbed this spin wave, it felt surprisingly light but solid, not flimsy at all. The handle sits comfortably in your hand and the spinning pads underneath look serious before you even turn it on. Once I started cleaning, the motorized pads did most of the work. I wasn't scrubbing at all, just guiding it along. What I liked most was the on-demand spray. I could hit just the dirty areas without soaking the floor, which matters on laminate. It glided easily under my couch and along baseboards without me bending over. The reusable pads are thick and actually washable, which saved me money after a few runs. If you want something simple, controlled, and safe for sealed laminate floors, this one's easy to recommend. It made cleaning feel less annoying, which says a lot before moving on. Product number 2, Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop 1940A. Holding this steam mop, it feels a bit more upright and sturdy, like a traditional cleaner. It's not heavy, but you know there's power in it. It heated up fast, and within half a minute I had steam rolling. On laminate, I kept it on the low to medium setting, and it cleaned without leaving moisture behind. The steam loosened dried-on messes way better than I expected, especially around the dining area. I flipped down the scrubber for a stubborn spot, and that little feature actually helped instead of feeling gimmicky. The swivel head made it easy to steer, and the long cord meant I didn't keep unplugging. If you prefer chemical-free cleaning and want to sanitize without worrying about residue, this is a solid pick. It's especially good if you've got kids or pets. From here, I tested something even more versatile. Product number 3, 11-in-1 Multi-Purpose Steam Mop. When I picked this one up, it felt like a cleaning Swiss Army knife. It's lightweight but packed with attachments, and the adjustable height made it comfortable right away. I filled the removable tank and it heated up shockingly fast. The steam output felt strong but controlled, which is key for laminate. During testing, I used it on floors first, then detached the handheld unit for baseboards and even a greasy spot near the stove. It handled everything without needing any cleaner. The rotating head actually got under furniture I usually ignore. I also liked that I could adjust the steam instead of guessing. If you want one machine that cleans laminate floors and a bunch of other surfaces, this is the one to look at. It's ideal for smaller homes or apartments. After that, I tried a model built specifically for tougher messes. Product number 4, Bissell Spin Wave Pet Hard Floor 20399. This spin wave feels similar to the first one but slightly more rugged. When I held it, the pads looked thicker and I could tell it was designed for heavier use. Once powered on, the spinning action felt strong and steady. I tested it in areas with tracked-in dirt and sticky spots, and it powered through without me pressing down. It stayed gentle on laminate while still lifting grime, which isn't always easy. Maneuvering around chair legs and baseboards felt smooth, and my arms didn't get tired. If you've got pets or deal with frequent messes, this version makes sense. It's reliable and consistent without being aggressive on floors. From there, I wrapped things up with a steam mop that surprised me. Product number 5, Shark Steam Spot Steam Mop S2001. The first thing I noticed holding this Shark was how light it felt, under 5 pounds, and it shows when you start moving it around. The handle and controls are simple, and the removable tank is easy to pop out. When I fired it up, the steam was strong but not overwhelming. What stood out was the steam blaster. I used it on dried spots, and that burst of steam actually worked without lingering moisture. The different steam modes let me adjust for laminate safely, and the pads absorbed dirt better than expected. It left the floor clean and dry quickly. If you want a lightweight steam mop with more control and power when needed, this one's a great fit. It's especially good for quick cleanups without hassle. That's my hands-on breakdown of the best cleaning machines for laminate floors. Every one of these was tested in real conditions, not just unboxed and judged. Check the links in the description for current prices and deals and grab the one that fits your cleaning style best.